Hello everyone, welcome back to Arunodayam Creations. Today we are going to learn about autotrophic nutrition from life processes chapter. Autotrophic nutrition. Already you know that we have two types of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Already we have learned about them in our previous video. Now we are going to learn about autotrophic nutrition in detail. So autotrophic nutrition, auto means self, trophy means nutrition. So here in this nutrition, the organisms will prepare their own food materials. They will prepare their own food materials by using some raw materials which are available on earth. So here in autotrophic nutrition, the organisms prepare their own food material by a process called as photosynthesis. So photo means light, synthesis means preparation. So preparation of food materials in the presence of light or preparation of food materials by using light energy is called as photosynthesis. Let us see definition. Process by which green plants make their own food, that is glucose. So green plants, they will prepare their own food materials which is in the form of glucose from raw materials like carbon dioxide and water by using sunlight energy in the presence of chlorophyll. So green plants will prepare their own food material that is in the form of glucose by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of light and by using chlorophyll molecule. This whole process is called as a photosynthesis. So at the end of photosynthesis we will get a food material which is in the form of glucose. Okay, these are the raw materials for photosynthesis: carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide the plant will obtain from atmosphere, water from soil, sunlight obviously from sun. Chlorophyll is already present in its parts. So chlorophyll is a green color pigment present in plant parts. So by using these four raw materials, green plants will prepare their own food materials by a process called as photosynthesis. And this glucose is not readily used by the plant at once. Some amount of glucose is used by plant and remaining amount of food, that is glucose, is stored in the form of starch. Okay, so plants will store some amount of food material in their parts in the form of a complex carbohydrate called as a starch, just like us. In case of human beings also, we should not use energy at once. So we will store energy in the form of glycogen, isn't it? The food we eat will give us energy, but we will not use that energy at once. So we will store some amount of energy in the form of glycogen. Just like that, in case of plants also, they will store some amount of food material in the form of starch in their parts, in the form of fruits or in the form of tubers, just like that. Okay, and have a look at equation of photosynthesis. This is the equation of photosynthesis. CO2 plus H2O in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight gives rise to C6H12O6, that is glucose, O2 and water H2O. So here during photosynthesis, along with glucose we will get some byproducts also, that are oxygen and water. So we have to balance this equation. 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Okay. During photosynthesis, some events takes place. Now we will discuss about those events. First event is absorption of light energy by chlorophyll molecule. So already we know that plants have a green color pigment called chlorophyll, and during photosynthesis this chlorophyll molecule will absorb light energy from sun. So you might have some doubt why the chlorophyll molecule is absorbing sunlight. We will clarify it in our second event. Second event is conversion of light energy into chemical energy and splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. So here what happens in first step or first event, chlorophyll molecule absorbs light energy. Why? Because chlorophyll molecule has to break water molecule in second event, but it did not have that much energy to break water molecule. In order to gain energy, in order to break water molecule, this chlorophyll molecule becomes activated by absorbing light energy. Okay, it is getting boosted up by taking light energy in the first event. Now in second event, this light activated chlorophyll molecule will split one of the raw material of photosynthesis, that is water, into hydrogen and oxygen. This step is called as photolysis of water. Photo means light, lysis means breakdown. So here in photolysis of water, the light activated chlorophyll molecule will break water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. So this is a second event, and in second event light energy will convert into chemical energy. So here we will get some amount of chemical substances also. We will discuss it later. And in the third event, reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates takes place. So already we have one raw material, that is carbon dioxide. It has carbon and oxygen. Now it will add hydrogen to it. Addition of hydrogen is called as reduction reaction, right? So here what happens in third event, carbon dioxide will add one hydrogen, and after a series of chemical reactions it will produce, or it will convert into carbohydrates, that is food material. So these are the three events taking place in photosynthesis. At last we will get a food material. Okay, in CBSE syllabus we did not have a detailed explanation of photosynthesis mechanism or photosynthesis process. If we want to know it, we have the detailed explanation in Andhra and Telangana syllabus. Already I have videos in my channel. If you want to have idea, you can watch my videos. I'll give those links in my description. Okay, this is our topic, autotrophic nutrition. If you understand this topic, please like this video and share with your CBSE friends. And for more videos, please subscribe my channel and activate notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.